Big news out of Texas. Elon Musk just revealed plans that could transform Tesla's future. A brand new $200 million Tesla battery facility is being built in Brookshire, and it's rumored to be the driving force behind the long-awaited 2026 Tesla Model 2, the game-changing, budget-friendly EV priced to shake up the industry. But what makes this factory so important? Why now? And why Texas? In this video, we're breaking down how this new battery mega hub is a crucial piece in Tesla's master plan, from cutting production costs to boosting output and potentially making gas-powered cars irrelevant. We'll show you why this third Tesla Texas site could be a turning point. You're watching Road Zone Reviews, where we explore the biggest stories in automotive tech. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell, so you never miss what legacy media won't tell you. Tesla's secret to a 10K EV, not a car factory, but batteries. Here's the real story. Tesla isn't just building another car plant. They're setting up a massive battery production hub focused entirely on energy storage. Located just west of Houston, this 1 million plus square foot facility will mass produce Tesla MegaPacks, the same energy storage units that power superchargers and backup grids. Production is on track to begin by late 2025, aligning perfectly with the expected Model 2 release. The scale is insane. Up to 40 GWh of battery storage annually, enough to power over 600,000 homes a day. Plus, the project is creating 1,500 new jobs. Being close to Giga Texas means better logistics, faster component delivery, and smoother operations. And thanks to Texas's deregulated energy market, Tesla can sell electricity directly to customers. That's a major competitive edge. The MegaPack's role in making the Model 2 affordable. So how does energy storage connect to the Model 2? Tesla plans to leverage profits from the high-margin MegaPack business, which can generate up to $70 million per project, to subsidize the Model 2's low cost. That's one reason why Tesla can aim for a sub-$12,000 price tag, or even under $11,000 with tax credits. By sharing production tech and battery chemistry between energy and vehicle divisions, Tesla cuts waste and cost. Both the MegaPack and Model 2 will use LFP batteries, which are cheaper and more durable than nickel-based cells. With innovations like 4685, 4690 battery cells, improved cooling, and AI-powered assembly lines, Tesla is streamlining the Model 2's entire supply chain, saving thousands per vehicle. MegaPacks, Tesla's global battery power network. Tesla isn't stopping at Texas. They're building a global energy network with major MegaPack hubs in Texas, Shanghai, and Australia. Together, these can generate over 120 GWh per year, powering grids and EV charging networks worldwide. And this means Tesla controls its battery supply chain. A huge advantage when other automakers are still scrambling for materials. That battery advantage allows the Model 2 to be produced faster, cheaper, and closer to home, avoiding import and fees and delays. Tesla's GigaPress technology and smart robotics mean fewer parts, less labor, and ultra-fast assembly. All of it contributes to the goal: 1.5 million Model 2 units per year by 2027. Outro, Road Zone style. If Tesla pulls this off, the Model 2 could completely disrupt the global EV market. With a mix of affordability, performance, and smart tech, it'll force legacy automakers like BYD, Hyundai, and GM to play catch-up. And it all starts in Texas. So what excites you most? The lower price tag, smarter energy system, or US-made production? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video gave you insight, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. Because next up, we're diving into leaked specs, real-world range estimates, and surprise interior upgrades on the Model 2. You don't want to miss it.